She's gardener in England, hands in the dirt, dreams in the land. Different weather, different sky, but she still plants, she still tries. Flowers bloom, vegetables grow, with green fingers she makes it sow. Tropical seeds from her old home, trying to grow them where the cold winds blow. Some won't sprout, some won't stay. The frost comes in and takes them away, but she won't stop, no, she won't cry. She'll plant again, let the sun rise. She keeps on growing, keeps on trying, even when the leaves start dying. From Myanmar sun to England's rain, she digs her roots through joy and pain. Though some may fail, she plants once more, making gardens like her hometown before. She walks through rows of green and gold, breathing in the stories told. Curry leaves, chilies bright, mango trees maybe one day right. The seasons change, the winds run wild, but she still stands with a hopeful smile. Gardening stops her missing home, through every sprout she's not alone. Some won't sprout, some won't stay. The frost comes in and takes them away, but she won't stop, no, she won't cry. She'll plant again, let the sun rise. She keeps on growing, keeps on trying, even when the leaves start dying. From Myanmar sun to England's rain, she digs her roots through joy and pain. Though some may fail, she plants once more, making gardens like her hometown before. The flowers bloom, the seasons spin, and home feels closer from within. She never stops, she never fades, her love still grows, come shine or shade.